Hey, I haven't found a box of 2017 Stars and Stripes at a good price in a long time. And then recently, one of the card sites had this on sale at a really good price. I couldn't believe it, but I grabbed one up quickly. You know, at this point, we're starting to see which of these rookies are going to pan out and which are not. So that makes these boxes, to me, more interesting. You know, sure, that could, it could be a bad thing too. It's easy to sell a prospect when the world is their oyster and we still think they might be a big star, but, at some point you start to realize, hey, this guy is now, going on with a different career and giving up on baseball. So those cards obviously don't hold as much value at that point, but whatever. Anyways, 2017, been kind of tough to find this. One of the card sites, I can't remember which at this point. Oh yeah, Charm City got these in stock. I love to buy from them. Their prices, I guess they're a smaller outfit, and they, in order to stay competitive with the big boys, have good prices on their products often. Many times they're like the lowest price on lots of products, so that's good. There are 5 packs. 8 cards per pack. We're going to find at least 5 hits. Often you'll get 1 or sometimes even 2 more bonuses. Not always. It's not a guarantee, but it happens quite a lot. Hopefully it will happen today. Alright. There's Frank Thomas, Buddy Reed, Sammy Faltine. Our first card is Ryan Vilade. That's good. Out of 199, autograph jersey combo. Then we have Jaron Kendall, longevity foil parallel. Joe Naranjo, I guess. Naranjo or Joe. Jared Jones and Hans Kraus. Next up, Justin Campbell, Nelson Berkwich, Calvin Mitchell, Hagen Danner. This is an on-card autograph to $4.99. If there's one thing I don't like about these cards, they're super thin stock. Alright, then we have cards turned all around. Tim Cate, longevity parallel. There's David Peterson, Dalton Guthrie, Barry Larkin. Blaine Enlow, Hunter Green, Ricky Tyler Thomas, Blake Rutherford, and this is numbered, another card stuck to that, 8 of 61. So pretty low print run there. Oh, nice. A Royce Lewis longevity parallel. Bryson Brigman, Kevin Gowdy, Forrest Whitley. Castanura. This is Nick Gorby out of 199, and it is just 4 jersey pieces. 2 look the same and 2 look different. Cameron Ojeda out of $3.99. Sticker autograph. We have Todd Helton, 1 out of what? 1 out of 5. So this is, looks like American flag parallel. I'm not sure exactly what that's called, but wow, 1 out of 5. That is pretty cool. I love that it's one of the vet players. Corey Ray, although Helton never had the hobby he should have had. Landon Sims and Zach Martinez. People overlooked him. He reminds me of like some of the other players that played for the Rockies. I don't know if they don't get like the clout or whatever that they should because they play in minor high. I don't know, but reminds me of like Trevor Story, who I think doesn't get enough love either. Seth Beer. There's Mark McGuire. Sammy Faltine out of 25. That is a sticker auto black ink out of 25. Then we have Jackson Miller out of 25. It's a really thick card here. Oh wow. That's only 14U though, so he's really young. Still really young. Still a pretty cool card. Wow. Mitchell Stone, parallel longevity. Shane Boz, Nick Allen, Glenn Otto. So what do we end up with? This, so it's 1, 2. I should have held these out, sorry. I'm gonna call that it. Nah, I can't call it a hit, but still it's cool. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 2 extra hits in this one. Very, 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 very nice. All right, I love this product. I've always liked Stars and Stripes. You guys know that. But I like 17 and 18. I've only opened 2 boxes of 19, so I need to get on the ball and get some more of that because I like it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching so much. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you think about Stars and Stripes. I'm interested. Do you get a bunch of extra hits when you get this, or am I just like extremely lucky? I'm assuming everybody does. I'm not that special. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.